is up, guys? Joel from BZB TV here at InfoComm 18 Las Vegas. We're visiting our good friends Key Digital. They're going to bring us in and introduce us to their latest wall plate HDMI extenders. So come follow me. Let's take a look.
Key Digital's SX440WP is a 2x1 switcher, extender, and video scaler all in one. It's perfect for conference room, classroom, huddle space applications, and more, because users can plug in their laptops on the HDMI connection or VGA with the simple press of a button, switch between those two sources, or press and hold until the light illuminates, indicating that your KD-SX440WP is now in auto sensing mode, so that a newly detected input will trigger a discrete switching selection of that new source. 4K resolutions can be extended up to 70 meters, 1080p at 100 meters, so whether your conference room or classroom is big or small, SX440WP fits them all. VGA incoming resolutions may be scaled to a fixed output resolution, a fixed aspect ratio, and horizontal and vertical picture adjustments may be applied, ensuring that you're always going to have a full screen when you're going in through your SX440WP for your presentation. And because you have a single network wire in is all you need, it makes installing this product easier than ever, as all of the power functionality is provided from the receiver end on the other end of your network cable. For more information, you go to keydigital.com, and for purchasing information, you go to bzbexpress.com.